Welcome to Crypto Kickstart. In today's video, we'll explore the enticing world of the BingX sign-up bonus and how you can maximize your benefits right from the start. If you're looking to dive into the crypto trading arena, BingX offers an incredible opportunity for newcomers and seasoned traders alike. BingX is renowned for its user-friendly platform and excellent trading features. One of the standout aspects of joining BingX is the sign-up bonus. When you register and start trading, you could be eligible to receive a significant bonus that can help boost your initial trading capital. This means more potential profits right off the bat. But how can you ensure that you receive this exciting sign-up bonus? It's simple. Just make sure to use the referral code CHUCHU during your registration. This referral code acts as a key to unlocking your exclusive bonus. By entering CHUCHU, you'll not only secure your bonus, but you'll also join a community of traders sharing tips and insights to enhance your trading experience. Now, let's talk about the advantages of using the BingX platform. It offers a wide range of trading options, including spot trading, futures, and even a copy trading feature where you can follow successful traders. This is perfect if you're new to crypto and want to learn from experienced professionals. Additionally, BingX has competitive fees and a robust security framework, ensuring your investments are safe. Make sure to take full advantage of the sign-up bonus, as it can provide you with the extra push you need to start your trading journey on the right foot. Remember, using the referral code CHUCHU is crucial to unlock this bonus and start with a head start in your trading adventure. So, what are you waiting for? Join BingX today. Use the referral code CHUCHU and get ready to embark on an exciting crypto trading journey. Subscribe to Crypto Kickstart for more tips, tricks, and insights into the ever-evolving world of cryptocurrency. Happy trading!